Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best random orbital sander that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PorterCable Random Orbit Sander. If you are looking for a very powerful orbital sander that you can use to handle a wide range of woodworking jobs, then you should consider the PorterCable 382 Random Orbit Sander. It is one of the best orbital sanders on the market, and is ideal for light to heavy-duty polishing and buffing needs for any surface, which is why it made it to the top of our list. This tool has several high-equals performance features to make woodworking pretty easy. It comes with a controlled finishing system that allows you to control the sanding pad speed, especially during startup. The hook and loop system is also there to make this tool much easier to operate. This random orbit sander has a 100% ball-bearing construction and it provides maximum sanding speed for smooth finishes. PorterCable equipped this sander with a 1.9 amp motor that delivers a great sanding speed of 12,000 orbits per minute. This random orbital sander is lightweight and compact, and is the best overall for professional and DIY applications. It comes with a dual-plane counterbalanced fan that helps to minimize user fatigue over prolonged handling. It works with 5-inch 8-hole hook and loop sandpapers. This tool comes with a 3-year limited warranty and a 90-day money-back guarantee. Moving on at number 4, we have the Black & Decker Orbital Sander. The next on our list is the Black & Decker BDR0100 Random Orbital Sander. This tool also made it to our list because it comes with many amazing features that you can find in more expensive random orbit sanders. This is a 5-inch orbital sander, which is pretty much the usual size, though it still means it might take you a long time to complete larger projects. Besides that, this is a powerful orbital sander and it delivers smooth results. It has a hook and loop system that makes paper changes faster and easier. This tool is also highly durable. It also comes with an effective dust bag that helps to keep your workspace clean and free of dust. This Black & Decker unit also features a dust-sealed switch to make sure debris and dust stay out. The package includes one random orbit sander, one sanding sheet, and a very useful dust bag. The tool has a compact size, and this increases the maneuverability of the tool for both DIYers and professionals. This sander weighs only 3.16 pounds and it comes with an impressive 2.0 amp motor. The cord of this sander is 6 feet, 5 inches long, and it is long enough to provide you with a degree of freedom. Like the previous product, this Black & Decker model only has single speed control, with a sanding speed of 12,000 orbits per minute. At number 3, we have the DeWalt Random Orbit Sander. The DeWalt DWE6423K Random Orbit Sander is one of the best orbital sanders on the market. It is the #1 choice of many woodworkers and it is very popular for its speed and effective dust collection system. DeWalt designed this tool to keep your workspace free of debris and dust, with a dust bag that comes with a one-hand locking system, making it very easy to use. If you are looking for the best random orbital sander that delivers a variable speed control, then this is the right tool for you. This unit comes with a powerful 3-amp motor that delivers a variable speed between 8,000 and 12,000 orbits per minute. The height of the tool is short, and this helps to reduce the distance between the user and the workpiece. It comes with a rubber overmold that makes the tool very easy to hold and work with. This feature also helps to reduce user fatigue over prolonged use. DeWalt also designed this 5-inch random orbit sander to reduce vibration, and this allows you to use the tool for an extended period without feeling fatigued. This product also comes with a carrying case to help keep your tools organized. It also comes with a dust-sealed switch to prevent dust and debris from entering the tool. At number 2, we have the Makita BO5041K 5 inches Random Orbit Sander. Makita is one of the most respected brands when it comes to power tools and accessories, and it has produced a ton of excellent machines. The Makita BO5041K lives up to the name. This tool is very easy to handle and use, thanks to its multiple grip options. It has an ergonomic rubberized palm grip and handle for enhanced control and operator comfort. The top grip is also there to allow you to apply more pressure while sanding. This orbital sander delivers very smooth results, thanks to its powerful motor and variable orbital speed. It also features a large 1/8-inch random orbit action for super smooth and fast buffing. This Makita model is another high-performance orbital sander, with a 3-amp motor that delivers great sanding speed. It also offers variable speed control that allows you to customize the speed of the tool to suit your application. The speed range of this Makita sander is from 4,000 to 12,000 orbits per minute. It also comes with a pad control system that gives you full control over the sanding pad speed when the tool starts up. The dust collection system is also effective, as it does a pretty good job of keeping your workspace clean. The pad brake is also there for reduced gouging and increased performance. And finally at number 1, we have the Bosch ROS20 VSC Palm Sander. If you are looking for the best orbital sander that gives you the freedom to optimize your sanding speed, then you should consider the Bosch ROS20 VSC Palm Sander. This orbital sander allows you to match the speed of the tool to your application. It is also very easy for those with smaller palms to operate, as the variable speed dial is positioned in an easy-to-reach place. You can also use this Bosch model to work for hours without feeling fatigued, thanks to its compact and ergonomic design. One of the most outstanding features of this tool is its pad dampening system. This feature helps to get rid of swirl marks on both contoured and flat surfaces. Sanding pads stick to the hand sander, thanks to the signature hook and loop disc attachment system of Bosch. The variable speed control of this unit is backed by a 2.5-amp motor. The sanding speed of this Bosch Random Orbit Sander ranges from 7,500 to 12,000 orbits per minute. It comes with a pretty long cord that measures 8 feet, and it provides you with all the freedom you need while sanding. The dust collection system traps dust and particles that are as small as 0.5 micron in diameter. There's a soft carrying case included that makes it very easy to transport. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.